I'm the Uchenna Christopher. I'm a Impact Boutique. Kenya na number 1 Obafala B Ojudu, Lagos State, Boga. The Kotonzi before. Admiral Abia State. I'm in Isalangwa North. We have Vantiga. Abia State. So Impact Boutique do business the Kahe is in the family. The one so boutique on another car the car for really say I know now boutique business na gakwa fuma maka